What if I told you about an emerging group of virtual investors doing deals remotely all over the country in places they've never been before, buying properties they've never laid eyes on, yet are making incredible sums of money to the tune of $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, or even $200,000 per deal? If you're new here to this channel, I'm Yogi, and this is Team Real AF Estate. We are going to be your all-in-one place to learn real estate wholesaling for free by bringing you easy-to-understand videos each week. Virtual wholesaling of real estate means purchasing and selling a property long distance using online references, computers, and smartphones. Keep in mind that the wholesaler identifies potential sellers with properties that they want to move quickly and who do not want to use real estate agents. Steps to start virtual wholesaling. If you are ready and eager to learn how to start virtual real estate wholesaling, you will be glad to know that the process is not as complicated as you may think. Also, keep in mind that wholesaling real estate is often a short-term investment strategy. The process of wholesaling real estate does not change from one market to another. If you can find and analyze a good real estate deal in Texas, you should be able to do the same in New York, California, or even Florida. If you are a modern virtual wholesaler, then the internet is your best weapon in your arsenal, as it gives you the whole world and all the relevant data right at your fingertips. Now let's get into the steps. Number 1, do your homework. As with most things in the modern real estate industry, the more prepared you are as an investor, the better. An excellent place to start when it comes to virtual wholesaling is familiarize yourself with a comprehensive overview of the virtual wholesaling process. You should conduct thorough research on the local market you are targeting virtually. You want a clear idea of what property prices look like, what kinds of properties are available in different areas, and where different neighborhoods are. Step 2. Choose suitable real estate investment areas. Virtual wholesalers have to work remotely and need easy access to the area's local data, such as incomes and crime rates. In the past, that implied extensive and time-consuming web searches that yielded few actionable search results. Now, with the help of tools and resources like Zillow and PropStream, you can easily select any city nationwide and get comprehensive and relevant data focused on motivated real estate sellers in the area. Step 3, find the right property. When it comes to virtual wholesaling, distressed properties, homes, and commercial properties that are in disrepair, or properties with owners who are willing to sell quickly, are usually the best because you can purchase them under market value. With the internet and online tools at your disposal, finding distressed properties is not that difficult. You can typically sell a distressed property for more than the amount you put it under contract. Step 4. Get in touch with motivated sellers. Note that with the launch of several tools and apps, big data is now easily available to any virtual wholesaler in any market on any device. It is no secret that comprehensive information can make it easier and quicker to find and get in touch with motivated sellers and start making offers. Many online tools provide crucial seller data, such as pre-foreclosure data, property details, and most importantly, the contact information of potential sellers that can include their phone number, social media accounts, and email addresses. And it enables you to make an immediate and direct contact with that seller. Step 5. Performing your due diligence remotely. Due diligence is an essential aspect of all real estate deals, and virtual wholesaling is no different. As wholesaling real estate is all about the numbers, it is advisable to verify the exact value of the relevant property. You also have the option to network with both agents and investors to know and understand the market. You can use a repair estimating tool for getting comprehensive bids on the amount of work your property needs so that you can work up a good competitive offer to give to your seller. Step 6. Present the real estate contract to the seller. After finding and contacting the seller, determining the property's value, and repairs and running the numbers on a potential deal, it's time to present your offer to the seller. Step 7. Market your wholesale contract to interested buyers. Due to technological advances, building a big and difficult to manage buyers list is now a thing of the past. Technology steps in to make the entire wholesaling process more effective and efficient. As soon as you have the property under contract, it will only take a couple of minutes to get your real estate deal in front of hundreds of cash buyers in the market. Step 8. Assign the contract. Technology steps in to help here too. With programs like Contract Genie and DocuSign, you can easily assign the contract to the interested buyer from wherever you are. And just remember, the more you practice, the more comfortable you will get with the process. Virtual wholesaling is a great way to tap into new markets and expand your portfolio and business. Well, that's it. Thanks for hanging with me. I'm sure you are hungry for more insider tips and tricks on real estate wholesaling. So make sure and hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for upcoming free videos. And don't forget to click the bell so you're notified when our new videos come out. Thanks again. See you soon.